Bonjour et bienvenue à Sunday Sessions. Je commence avec Motorcycle Mama, un extrait de Neil Young de son album Comes a Time qui est sorti en 1978. Et voilà. Motorcycle Mama, won't you lay your big spike down? Motorcycle Mama, won't you lay your big spike down? Always get in trouble when you bring it around. Motorcycle Mama, won't you lay it down? Do, 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 do. Oh yeah. Well, I'm running and I'm running down the proud highway. Running and I'm running down the proud highway. As long as I keep moving, wanted a place to stay. Do, 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 do. Oh yeah. Motorcycle Mama, won't you lay your big spike down? Motorcycle Mama, won't you lay your big spike down? Always get in trouble when you bring it around. Motorcycle Mama, won't you lay it down? Do, 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 do. Oh yeah. Hope you can remember my name. Oh yeah, I just escaped last night from the Memory County Jail. I see your box is open and your flag is up. Message is written and it's loud enough. Do, 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 do. Oh yeah. Motorcycle Mama, won't you lay your big spike down? Motorcycle Mama, won't you lay your big spike down? Always get in trouble when you bring it around. Motorcycle Mama, won't you lay it down? Do, 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 do. Oh yeah. Do, 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 do. Oh yeah. On suit avec un deuxième extrait de Comes a Time de Neil Young, mais pas composition de lui, c'est composition de le Canadien Ian Tyson et c'est une chanson Neil Young, il écoute souvent dans les coffee bars, sur le jukebox dans les années 50, je suppose. Think I'll go out to Alberta, weather's good there in the fall. Got some friends that I could go working for. Well, I wish you'd change your mind if I asked you one more time. But we've been through this 100 times or more. strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. Well, the good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I look for you if I'm ever back this way. If I get there before the snow falls, and if things are looking good, you could meet me if I send you down the fair. But by then it would be winter, not so much for you to do, and those winds sure blow cold way out there. For strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. Well, the good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I look for you if I'm ever back this way. I look for you if I'm ever back this way. Et après ça, encore un extrait de After the Gold Rush de Neil Young qui a 50 ans cette année. Lover, there will be another one who hover over you beneath the sun. Tomorrow, see the things that never come today. When you see me fly away without you, shadow on the things you know, feathers fall around you and show you the way to go. It's over. It's over. Yes, all in you wings, my little one. Your special morning brings another sun. Tomorrow, see the things that never come today. When you see me fly away without you, shadow on the things you know, feathers fall around you and show you where to go. It's over. It's over. Merci, reste vigilante, à bientôt.